friends, welcome to Sahitya Cooking. In this video, I am cooking Dhaba style soybean masala. Add 2 cups of water into a cooking vessel. Wait until the water starts boiling. Add 100 grams of soya chunks. Cook at high flame for 5 minutes. Once soya chunks become soft, separate it from water and keep them aside. Add crushed ginger and garlic paste. Add a cup of thick curd. Add dried fenugreek leaves. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder. Add a spoon of red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a spoon of table salt. Mix everything well and keep aside to marinate for half an hour. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Take a frying pan and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add cinnamon and cardamom. 4 clove buds. Star anise. 2 dried bay leaves. Add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. A teaspoon of asafoetida. Add a handful of curry leaves. Chopped green chilies. Add chopped onions. Mix well and stir fry at medium flame. Add chopped tomatoes. Stir fry at medium flame for 2 minutes. Mix everything well. Add a teaspoon of table salt. Stir fry at medium flame for 2 more minutes. Now add marinated soybean chunks. Chopped coriander leaves. Add a glass of water. Mix everything well. Close the lid and cook at medium flame for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, serve it with chopped coriander leaves. Dhaba style soybean masala is ready to be served.